this is your Handy Maddie and I am back with another interesting DIY video in our channel Sparklebox. So where should I place this? Somewhere here. This is fine. Yeah, this should be. Yep. Where should I place this? Do you find the same difficulty like where to place your phone? Today's DIY will find a solution for that. Let's make it! Enjoyed this DIY. How simple it is. You can share your work with me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Thanks for watching.